They were a toxic couple, to be honest. Like, I'm gonna need y'all to take it down a notch. Customer rudely interrupted me. Can't you see what I'm doing? Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. This is Dominique with Dainty Budgets, and on this channel, for those of you who are new, we cash stuff, we talk about debt payoff, financial freedom, everything, story times. I mean, mini story times within my cash stuffings, because something is always going on with me. So if you are interested in that, definitely click the subscribe button. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to be stuffing my second paycheck for July. And please don't mind if you hear any noise. My kitchen is literally right next to my door, my apartment, so you may hear like my neighbors coming in and out of their apartment, so I apologize about that in advance. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So yeah, speaking of noisy neighbors, if you guys watched my last video, I had a bug like in the middle of my video that just kind of like landed on my hand. Now this ties into my neighbors because at one point I had neighbors to the side of us who had dogs and everything like that, and they were a toxic couple, to be honest. Like, we would always hear them arguing. She would always threaten to leave. She would leave and she would come back. Insanity. And I just wanted to expound like for one more minute on the situation. So long story short, we've been there for less than a year. And at one point, like, we had to call the police because I literally thought she was going to kill him, because he was like, I'm just going to give fake names. Like, let's say he was like, Jessica, stop. Like, I literally thought like somebody was gonna die. We ended up calling the police. The police came and they were acting like nothing happened. They're like, oh no, I was like, what is going on? Our neighbors ended up calling the police on them again at a different point. Let me tell you, when they moved out, that was like one of the happiest days of my life, because they were infringing upon my peace. Like, my peace was being infringed upon, because they would argue at like 1 a.m, 2 a.m, 3 a.m. Honestly, it was all day long. You would just hear things being thrown and broken, and it was just honestly so awful and toxic. And it's like really sad when people are in relationships like that, because there's really nothing you can do. Like, they're gonna want to have to leave if they want to leave. But let me tell you, when they left, me and my husband were so happy. Anyways, back to the cash stuffing. They moved out, and ever since they moved out, it's like we get these little critters that just come in here, and I honestly believe it came from their apartment. So I told my husband to reach out to our leasing office to see if we can get some like pest control or something, because I'm sorry, I cannot live with bugs. I cannot live with them. I cannot feed them. I cannot house them. They need to go somewhere else. So hopefully we don't have a repeat of that.
Woof.
So the first thing that I'm gonna do is unstuff my wallet. So actually, let me put this to the side really quick. All right, so this is my spending wallet. Isn't it so cute? Oh my gosh. Everything will be linked in the description. All right, they being loud now. I hear them outside. Like, I'm gonna need y'all to take it down a notch. All right, so in spending, I had 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Eating out. Sorry about that. A customer rudely interrupted me. Can't you see what I'm doing? All right, so, oop. And now these neighbors are being so atrocious. Like, all right, so eating out has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Weekly has 20 still. Food, sorry, I'm not showing. Food has 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And gas has nothing. So all these ones will be going into my $1 savings challenge. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. And some of these ones my husband actually gave me, and so sweet. So they just go in this pouch. And look, like, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. And then I'll show you what I do with this money in a second. All right, so we can go ahead and restuff those envelopes. So gas is getting 100 as usual. So 20, 40, 60, 80. Oh my gosh, it just gave out. All right, 85, 90, 95, 100. And I do fill up in $25 increments, so food will be getting 80. All right, so $80. Weekly will be getting its usual 20. So 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Eating out will be getting its usual 20. And I will be getting 50. All right, so 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, so I actually had to pause for a second because I had to redo my math because I was adding things up and they were not adding up. So we are redoing this again. I'm just gonna leave everything how it is. So I'm gonna leave how my wallet was stuffed, and I'm gonna leave just basically all that's gonna stay the same. So I'm just starting over with my actual cash envelopes.
Know you send me, darling, you send me, I know you.
All right, so rent is gonna be getting $280. So 1, 2, 50. 70, 80. All right, and now rent has 1, 2, 53, 20, 40, 60, 84, 10, 20, 25, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 479. Car is going to be getting $20. So now car has 20, 40, 60, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. Ministry is going to be getting 160. Now ministry has 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 25, 30, 330. Business is going to be getting 20. So now business has 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. $74. I have my vacation money in my fun envelope for now till it comes through, till my order gets here from Etsy. So fun vacation has 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100 for vacation. And fun isn't getting anything. Self-care is going to be getting $20. And now we're doing my sinking funds. So moving is getting 20. I'm not exactly certain if we're gonna be moving or not, but just in case we do end up moving after our lease is done, I wanna be prepared. And this is my first time stuffing this. 3 to 6 months is gonna get $10. And this is my first time stuffing this one as well. Car maintenance is getting 10. So now car maintenance has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 10. Miscellaneous is going to be getting $10. And I'm actually going to break this 20 really quick off camera, so give me 1 second. All right, so miscellaneous is getting 10. All right, so 20, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. Rollover is actually getting 35. So I just ended up putting it in my wallet to keep it separate. So 20, 30, 35. All right, so 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93 in rollover. Gifts is going to be getting 25. So now it has 20, 40, 60, 65. And I apologize about my neighbor's dogs. Like, I don't know why they're being so fussy right now. And now health has 10, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. And I need 87 by the end of next month, the 27th. Challenge isn't getting anything. I already stuffed that this week with my Uber and DoorDash money. I'm just gonna put it right over here for now. All right, and this is my debt envelope, which I did order I'm ordering some black envelopes from Etsy, and then I'm also going to get a black binder. So I'm gonna wait to get the black binder though, because my job is actually giving me some like rewards points for my metrics this month. So I'm just waiting for those points to come through, and then I'm just gonna use the money to get an Amazon gift card, and then yeah, pretty much buy the binder that way. That way I don't have to spend any of my money. All right, so student loans isn't getting anything. I've decided that I'm probably not gonna stuff student loans right now, but maybe after I finish my credit card debt. So debt is getting, it says it should be getting $10. So I have to make change again. 1 second. All right, so 20 and then 10, and this 10 looks like it's been to hell and back. Like, all right, so 30 in debt. Tolls is going to be getting 40. All right, so now tolls has 1, 52, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 500. Taxes isn't getting anything. I'm assuming with the money left over should be $20. Let's see. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay. So actually, I'm just gonna put this $1 bill in my cart envelope. You know what? No, I'm just gonna put it in here. It doesn't make that big of a difference. And I am getting some new emergency envelopes as well. Just for those of you who haven't watched my Etsy haul yet, it should be up before this video. I didn't want rainbow. I wasn't paying attention when I was purchasing it, so I have ordered some new ones that match the aesthetic that I'm going for. So hopefully I can do a part 2 in the next couple of weeks of my Etsy haul. So 51, 52, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 90, 500, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 521. All right, and the last thing you all know is my coins. And I'll speed this part up as usual.
1, 2, 3, funk it. My darling, I love you, 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 I l
Alright, and that is it. I thank you all so much for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed my cash stuffing, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, your weekend, whatever day it is that you're watching. I hope you enjoy. Have a great one. Bye.